Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The chief engineer is the absolute authority in the engine department and the technical heart of any vessel afloat. If the captain is the master of navigation, then the chief engineer is the master of power, ensuring that the ship has the propulsion and the energy required to traverse the vast oceans. Holding a rank equal to the master, the chief engineer is responsible for the operation, maintenance, and repair of all mechanical and electrical equipment on board. Their domain is the engine room, a multi-story cathedral of steel, where they oversee the massive main engines that can be as large as a building. The chief engineer manages a highly skilled team of engineers and ratings, and their leadership is what keeps the ship's heart beating 24 hours a day. They are responsible for fuel management, which involves the careful monitoring of consumption and the ordering of thousands of tons of heavy fuel oil and diesel. This is a critical commercial role, as fuel is the largest expense for any shipping company, and the chief engineer must ensure that every drop is used efficiently and that the fuel is purified correctly to prevent engine damage. Environmental compliance is another massive pillar of this position. The chief engineer must ensure the vessel adheres to strict international regulations regarding oily water separators, sewage treatment plants, and exhaust emissions. They are the primary guardian against maritime pollution, ensuring that no oil or chemicals ever enter the water through mechanical failure or human error. In the event of a technical breakdown in the middle of the ocean, the chief engineer is the lead problem solver who must stay calm and guide the team through complex repairs under extreme pressure. They manage the ship's spare parts inventory and the dry dock planning process, ensuring that the vessel remains seaworthy and profitable for the ship owner. Safety in the engine room is paramount, and the chief engineer enforces strict protocols regarding high-pressure systems, high-voltage electricity, and fire prevention in enclosed spaces. They work closely with the master on the bridge to coordinate the ship's speed and maneuvers while maintaining a constant dialogue about the technical limits of the machinery. To reach this level of authority requires a deep understanding of thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, and electrical engineering, combined with years of practical experience in the heat and noise of the machinery spaces. The chief engineer is a manager, a strategist, and a technician who ensures that the lights stay on, the water stays fresh, and the propellers keep turning. Their signature on the engine logbook is a guarantee of technical integrity, and their presence provides the mechanical security that allows the rest of the crew to sail with confidence across the globe. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.